Turkey has demonstrated rapid progress in the defense industry, particularly in the development of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. One of its most recent achievements is the assembly of a new generation combat drone, the ANKA III. This drone symbolizes Turkey's military technological advancement and strengthens the country's position on the global stage. The ANKA III was developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, type, a company that plays a key role in various Turkish aerospace projects. Unlike its predecessors, such as the ANKA and Aksungur, the ANKA III is designed with a flying wing concept, which provides advantages in stealth, aerodynamic efficiency, and increased operational endurance. One of the most striking features of the ANKA III is its vertical tailless design. This configuration significantly reduces its radar signature, making it more difficult to detect by enemy air defense systems. This stealthy design is typically only found on advanced fighter jets belonging to major powers, so the presence of the ANKA III demonstrates that Turkey has reached a very high technological level. Furthermore, the ANKA III is equipped with an internal weapons bay, allowing the drone to carry various types of ammunition without increasing radar visibility. This system is crucial for strike missions in heavily air-defended areas. The drone is also capable of integrating a variety of advanced sensors, including an AESA radar and an electro-optical system for reconnaissance and targeting. The ANKA III is assembled at TAI's modern facilities, which are equipped with cutting-edge manufacturing technology. This process involves the use of lightweight yet strong composite materials and high-precision production techniques to ensure optimal performance. Each component is designed to meet international military standards. One interesting aspect is Turkey's level of self-reliance in this project. Most of the ANKA III's key components are manufactured domestically, including the avionics, control systems, and software. This aligns with Turkey's strategy to reduce its dependence on imported military technology from other countries. The ANKA III is designed to perform a wide range of missions, from reconnaissance and surveillance to precision strikes. With its medium to high altitude flight capabilities and long range, the drone can operate for extended periods without refueling. Another advantage of the ANKA III is its ability to operate semi-autonomously. With the support of artificial intelligence, this drone can make decisions in certain situations without having to wait for instructions from the operator. This is crucial in the modern battlefield, which demands rapid response and high efficiency. Turkey's success in assembling the ANKA III has had a significant impact on the balance of power in the region. The country is now not only a user of military technology, but also a manufacturer capable of competing in the global market. This opens up significant export opportunities, especially to countries seeking alternatives to traditional suppliers like the United States or Russia. Furthermore, the development of the ANKA III has strengthened Turkey's position within international alliances like NATO. With increasingly advanced technological capabilities, Turkey can contribute more to joint operations and increase its bargaining power in defense cooperation. While the ANKA III represents a significant achievement, challenges remain. Among these are ensuring system reliability under various operational conditions and improving interoperability with other military systems. Furthermore, global competition in the UAV sector is intensifying, with many countries racing to develop similar technology. Nevertheless, the future of the ANKA III looks very promising. With continued developments in artificial intelligence, sensor technology, and materials, this drone has the potential to become one of the most advanced UAVs in the world. Turkey is expected to continue investing in research and development to maintain this advantage. The assembly of the ANKA III marks a new chapter in the Turkish defense industry. This drone not only demonstrates high technical capabilities, but also reflects the country's ambition to become a major player in global military technology. With its combination of stealth design, advanced systems, and indigenous production, the ANKA III demonstrates that Turkey has entered a new era in modern UAV development.